The UAG Topography case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a standout option for those seeking a blend of style and protection. As part of Urban Armor Gear's Pathfinder series, this case offers the same robust features that have made UAG a trusted name in phone protection. The winter white topography design adds a unique aesthetic, setting it apart from the standard Pathfinder cases. While the printed design doesn't appear as sharp or color accurate as in product images, leaning slightly greenish in real life, it still offers a fresh, distinctive look. In terms of protection, the UAG topography case doesn't disappoint. It features enhanced corner protection, an ultra-light impact frame, and composite construction, ensuring your Galaxy S25 Ultra stays safe from drops and impacts. The case also includes camera lens protection, a crucial feature for safeguarding the phone's advanced camera system. However, unlike some other cases on the market, this version lacks a built-in magnetic ring, making it incompatible with MagSafe accessories. That said, it remains fully compatible with regular wireless chargers. One of the highlights of this case is its relatively slim profile, which is impressive given the level of protection it offers. It's a great choice for users who want a durable case without adding unnecessary bulk. While the design may not be for everyone, the variety of online exclusive patterns ensures there's something for different tastes. Overall, the UAG Topography case is a solid pick for Galaxy S25 Ultra users who prioritize protection and want a case that stands out from the crowd. If you're a fan of UAG's Pathfinder series and are looking for something a little different, this online exclusive design is worth considering.